Hi, this is Jogendra Tuteja at Tuteja Talks Desi Martini, and today I'm here to share with you the prediction for Big Friday release Mubaraka. First things first, the sad news is picture की opening लगी नहीं रही है. It has been such a long time since a movie actually took a good opening. In fact, ट्यूबलाइट ने 20 करोड़ लिए थे, but that doesn't sound much because उसकी कैपेसिटी काफी थी. 40 करोड़ की कैपेसिटी पे 20 करोड़ ओपनिंग ली थी, तो that hardly an opening. उससे पहले अगर देखें तो डबल डिजिट ओपनिंग was way back. That was Half Girlfriend, which was Arjun Kapoor's film. उससे पहले अगर कोई ओपनिंग लगी थी, that was like बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया. तो think about it. ओपनिंग है नहीं, हाँ of course बाहुबली थी, but बाहुबली was again a once in a lifetime phenomenon. उसने 500 करोड़ किए, फैमिली ऑडियंसेस आई, सबने साथ मिलके देखी, all of that was there. But leaving that aside, where is a Hindi movie that took an opening? जग्गा जासूस की ओपनिंग नहीं लगी, मुन्ना माइकल की ओपनिंग नहीं लगी. Before that, राब्ता also did not take an opening. So somewhere the current scene in Bollywood is really shaky. In fact, talking about family audiences, yes, Bahubali 2 took an opening, but उसके बाद, if there is any film that actually still got audiences back in theaters, that was Hindi medium. उसकी भी opening कुछ खास सी लगी थी. That was just 2 to 3 crore, but it was primarily on the basis of word of mouth. That picture चलती रही and eventually did about 70 crore. So the key idea is families को आप audience कैसे अंदर लाएं. Families are not coming in. यूथ है बट एक लिमिट तक ला सकते हैं ऑडियंस को एट सिंगल स्क्रीन एंड ऑल. वी सॉ दैट इन मुन्ना माइकल. क्लासी ऑडियंसेस हैं, किसी तरीके से थोड़े ऑडियंस आ गए. दैट वाज जग्गा जासूस, दैट टू द फर्स्ट 2 days. बट अ फिल्म ओनली एंड ओनली रन्स वेल फॉर अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस अगर आपकी फैमिलीज आ रही हैं. एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज नाउ एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम मुबारका. नाउ व्हेन यू लुक एट दैट, एज अ डायरेक्टर अनीस बज़मी हैज शोन दिस टाइम एंड अगेन. उनकी लास्ट रिलीज थी वेलकम बैक. So again, ये चली थी primarily because families came in. Picture did around 90-95 crore. It still did well. Yes, ज़्यादा कर सकती थी, franchisee थी, sequel था, all of that is there. But still, families आई. And that is something that ensured that Mullah kept coming in for the film. मुबारका से उसी तरीके की expectations है. अब अगर पिक्चर की star cast को देखें, there is Anil Kapoor, there is Arjun Kapoor in a double role. Ileana is there, उसकी एक अपनी है fan following है, and then Athiya is there, yeah, second film, so she'll be an added bonus. But what is really working out well, अगर promos को आप देखो, as a package, the film, and I'm repeating that again, is giving a sense of being a family entertainer. In fact, picture में कहीं भी promo देख के लग नहीं रहा कि there is any ounce of vulgarity in there. It is a very kids-friendly film as well, and that's something which Anees Bazmi has been doing time and again. Welcome हो गई, Welcome Back हो गया, Sing is King हो गया. These are some of the films where he has ensured that the films work across all age groups. और कहीं कर भी there is no cringe-worthy moment that comes in. Moreover, for whatever it's worth, as I just said, Arjun Kapoor is the actor who actually got a double-digit opening. That was Half Girlfriend, 10 करोड़ लिया था उनकी पिक्चर ने. So all said and done, he's still coming with at least a day one success. पिक्चर की at least opening थी, and now when Mubaraka is coming in and it's an entire package. प्रमोशन भी अच्छे से करा है, द फिल्म इज ऑल ओवर, मार्केटिंग इज ऑल ओवर, सो एटलीस्ट अवेयरनेस, विजिबिलिटी, ट्रैक्शन, ये सब है. इट इवेंचुअली बॉइल्स डाउन टू कि ऑन फ्राइडे व्हेन द फिल्म रिलीजेस व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नंबर इज गोइंग टू ओपन. एंड दिस इज वेयर आई गो बैक टू द पॉइंट दैट आई मेड राइट एट द बिगिनिंग. पिक्चरों की ओपनिंग लगी नहीं रही है. आपने प्रमोशन कर ली, मार्केटिंग कर ली, एक्टर्स करे, सेट्स लगा लिए, स्टार्स आ गए, ग्लैमर हो गया, ग्रैंडर हो गया, बट ओपनिंग नहीं लग रही है. दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई I'm a little hesitant in coming up with a very big number for the film. Ideally, this movie has all in it कि कम से कम 10 करोड़ की opening लगे. But I'll be a little conservative here. For me, I would say even if the film takes an opening in the range of 8 to 9 crore, that will be at least a start. Yes, of course, picture के पास mainly एक हफ्ता है to do well because after that जब Harry Met Sejal is coming. But 8 से 9 करोड़ की भी opening लगती है, and then family audiences catch up on the film, and then on Saturday and Sunday it grows well, it will still be on a stable territory. So yes, my prediction, somewhere around 8 to 9 crore day one, and after that the word of mouth has to be really strong so that the film escalates, builds momentum in a big way to have a hefty day one, and then after that a weekend, and then a good week one as well. This is Jogendra Tuteja signing off from Tuteja Talks Desi Martini.